It is currently December, which means we are in the final stretch of 2025. And I know what you're thinking. Most people right now are already checking out mentally. They're telling themselves, I'll just start next year. I'll start working out on January 1st. I'll create my vision boards on January 1st. I'll write out my goals on January 1st. I'll start waking up early January 1st. But since you clicked on this video, we are not doing that anymore. Like, absolutely not! These last 30 days will be our biggest level up. December is the season to lock in, glow up, and become your best self before 2026 even hits. So in this video, I will show you all the habits and glow-up hacks to level up your life by the end of the year. So let's lock in together and end this year with a big bang. Okay, first things first. You cannot fully lock in if you're living in a dirty space. I'm serious. Your messy environment will drain you without you even realizing it. So we're starting with a deep clean of everything. I'm talking about your bedroom, your closet, your dirty laundry that's been sitting there for like 2 weeks, the dishes in your sink that you keep ignoring, the bathroom storage where you just throw things in and hope for the best. Like, we're cleaning all of it. And I know cleaning isn't fun, but trust me, the moment everything is clean, you immediately feel like you have your life together. It's like magic. Also, take this time to get rid of things that you don't need anymore. That shirt from 2022 that you're never going to wear again? Gone. Those jeans that don't fit anymore? Donate them. We're only keeping things that make us feel like our best selves. Because every time you look around and see stuff that reminds you of old versions of yourself, it's holding you back from becoming who you want to be. The second thing you should do is a digital cleanup. And oh my god, this one is so necessary. If you're like me, you've bookmarked pages, saved videos, literally hundreds of tiny ideas you swore you'd come back to and never did. So here's what we're going to do. Take time out of your day and clear out your bookmarks. But before you delete them, write down what every video was about. Make a list of why you saved that video. Maybe it was an outfit you wanted to recreate, or a recipe you wanted to try out, or a trip you wanted to take. Write them all down and use that as your bucket list of things you're going to do before the year ends. Like, your bookmarks literally point you to the direction you want to go in life. So if you saved 20 workout videos, that's a sign you want to get fit. If you saved recipes, you want to eat healthier. Use this information to create your December goals. You should also take this time to unfollow everyone who isn't inspiring you. Delete photos that make you feel bad about yourself, clear out emails, reply to or delete all those unread messages. Just take time to clear out the junk in your life and you will be one step ahead of everyone else before 2026. So now that our environment is cleared, here's what we're doing for the next 30 days. There must be things that you do every single day, right? So let's get super clear on the habits and actions you need to achieve your goals. And I'm going to give you examples for different goal categories, so you can pick what works for you. 30-minute workout daily. Walk 5,000 steps every day. Attend a workout class 3 times a week. Stretch every morning when you wake up. Make your bed daily. Wake up at 6 a.m. Meal prep every Sunday. Go to sleep at 10 p.m. Study for 20 minutes daily. Journal every night. Pray or meditate morning and night. Give a compliment to someone daily. Practice gratitude before bed. So what you're going to do is write down each goal on one side of a paper and what actions you need to take on the other side. Now, let's talk about morning routines because they are literally game-changing. The way you start your morning impacts your whole day. So here's what we're not doing anymore. Don't scroll on your phone the moment you wake up. I know it's tempting, but scrolling first thing just drains your energy before your day even starts. Instead, here's what you're going to do. Make your bed. This takes like 2 minutes and immediately makes you feel productive. Like, even if nothing else goes right today, at least you made your bed. Eat a healthy breakfast instead of cereal. I'm talking oatmeal with fruit, yogurt bowls, avocado toast, eggs, something that actually gives you energy throughout the day, not just sugar that makes you crash in an hour. And guys, I love to put on a cozy playlist while doing my morning routine. It literally makes me feel like the main character of my own life. Like, how can you not feel motivated when you're making breakfast to your favorite songs? Okay, now let's talk about free time. Because I know after school or work, you just want to relax. But here's the thing. We're not going to relax by scrolling TikTok for 5 hours anymore. We've all done it, and we all know how it makes us feel afterwards. Tired, unmotivated, like we just wasted our whole evening. So instead, we're going to spend our free time doing things that actually boost our energy. And I'm going to give you so many ideas because there's literally something for everyone. You could try baking delicious pastries or cookies, reading books that inspire you, drawing or painting, even if you're not good at it, doing clay art or pottery, learning how to crochet or knit, starting a journal, learning a new language, doing yoga or Pilates at home, reorganizing your room, creating a scrapbook, learning photography, starting a blog or YouTube channel. Like, there are so many things you could be doing with your time that will make you feel good and give you real dopamine. Not the fake dopamine you get from scrolling, the real kind that makes you feel accomplished and happy. And I'm not saying never relax or watch TikTok. I'm just saying maybe limit it to 30 minutes instead of 3 hours. Get out of your comfort zone, because becoming your best self requires you to do things that scare you a little bit. I'm going to give you realistic examples because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. You could go to the gym for the first time. And I know that's scary, but literally no one is judging you. Everyone is focused on their own workout. You could go to a coffee shop alone and read a book. You could sign up for a class you've always wanted to try. You could post that video you've been too scared to post. You could introduce yourself to someone new. You could raise your hand in class even though you're nervous. You could wear that outfit you think is too bold. Okay, last thing. You need to keep track of your transformation. Because trust me, in 30 days, you're going to look back and be shocked at how much you've changed. So here's what you're going to do. Take a picture of what you get up to every single day. It doesn't have to be aesthetic or perfect. Just snap a photo of your breakfast, your workout, your clean room, your journal entry, whatever you did that day that made you feel productive. And at the end of December, you can make a little collage or video of all those photos. Seeing your progress visually is so motivating. Like, you'll actually see all the small steps you took every day adding up to a huge transformation. You could also keep a daily journal where you write down 3 things you accomplished that day, no matter how small. Did you wake up early? Write it down. Did you go for a walk? Write it down. Did you choose a healthy meal over junk food? Write it down. Because every time you recognize progress, no matter how small, you reinforce belief in yourself. And that belief is what's going to carry you through to 2026 and beyond. So that is the December Lock-In Challenge. 30 days to completely transform your life before 2026. And I'm not going to lie to you and say it's going to be easy. Some days you're going to want to give up. Some days you're going to want to just scroll on your phone and eat junk food and forget about all these goals. But on those days, I want you to remember why you started. Remember that version of yourself you want to become. Remember how good it feels to be productive and take care of yourself. Remember that everyone else is waiting until January, but you're already doing the work. Thank you guys so much for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next video.